Are your balls feeling left out during play? It's time to heat things up with a ball stretcher. Hey everybody, welcome to ATMS TV. I'm Emma from Adulttoymegastore and this is Doing It, the series where I teach you all about how to get down with your sex toys. In today's episode, we're taking a look at ball stretchers, what they are, why you could use one, and how to choose the perfect one for you. Ball stretchers are toys that fasten around the scrotum to elongate the testicles and add a feeling of stretch and heaviness for the wearer. Now, they're commonly considered a part of CBT, which is cock and ball torture. However, they can be extremely pleasurable too. It all depends on the style that you choose. People use ball stretchers because they're arousing and they feel really good. The scrotum is full of nerve endings and these feel awesome when stimulated. So if you enjoy light or even firm tugging on your balls while you play, then you might really love a ball stretcher. Ball stretchers can also help you last longer before orgasm as they provide resistance to the testicles from retracting up inside your body, which is what happens when you orgasm. And of course, they can be used for pain play too. So wearing a ball stretcher for a long period of time or even adding weights to the stretcher can move things into ball punishment territory. It really all depends on how you choose to play. So here's a few things to think about before you choose a stretcher. The first thing that you need to think about is the style. Now, a simple, stretchy silicone or TPE toy like this is a great option for beginners to ball stretching. Now, the first thing you want to do is lube this up and then pop your testicles through one at a time so that they hang out the bottom and you get the stretch through this area here. This style will add a small amount of stretch without adding any extra weight or tugging onto the body. Another great style to consider is a leather ball stretcher. Now, these can be made of relatively soft or a firm leather, and they tend to connect with domes at the back. This one has two different options so that you can get the exact fit that you like. And they tend to come in multiple different widths so that you can get the amount of stretch that you're looking for too. Many leather options will also have a D-link connector at the front. Now, this means that you can add some weights to the stretcher for even more stretch and heaviness, or you can attach a wee leash and let your imagination run wild. A metal ball stretcher gives a tugging and weighted effect without the need to add any extra weights. It might be in the form of two parts that connect together with a lock, or it may be a magnet that snaps together. Now, with this kind of style, you do need to be careful to make sure that you don't get any hair or your skin caught, as it's obviously going to hurt. The last style is a cock ring style ball stretcher. So with this one, you have the cock ring part and you also have the stretcher here too. So you get all the benefits of a cock ring. It'll trap the blood inside your penis to help you maintain an erection for longer and to feel stronger too. Plus you get that lovely tugging effect on the scrotum. This one is made of silicone and it is amazingly soft, stretchy and flexible as well. With this style, you want to lube up both holes, pop your penis through first and then pop this bit over the top of the scrotum. When it comes to the size, you may need to try a few different ball stretchers to get the perfect fit for your body. You don't want to go too small, but you also don't want to go too big. Remember that this is about pleasure, so if it feels uncomfortable or it just feels too tight, you may need to go up a size. Here's a few tips for using your ball stretcher. Regardless of if you're stretching alone or you're using a stretcher as part of foreplay or sex with a partner, you need to make sure that you're feeling warm and relaxed. This is going to ensure that you stay safe and comfortable during your play. Ideally, have a warm bath or shower to ensure that your skin is soft and flexible. And if you're using a metal ring, you may want to warm this up prior to play too to make sure it doesn't cool your body down too quickly. And of course, use lube. A thick, long-lasting lube is the perfect way to ensure that you're feeling comfortable throughout the whole play session. Thanks for tuning in to Doing It. If you want more, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any more fun sex toy stuff. Thanks everybody. Bye. This is the best way to make sure that you stay safe. Damn it. Safe.